Hi everyone, this is Brad. Today we're taking a look at text wrapping in Google Docs. So you can see I have a solid dad joke here. I'm going to insert an image of Darth Vader. Let's go ahead and do that. And we'll choose this one here. I'm going to select Insert. And now if we choose the image, you can see you have your options down here. But then you come to this, behind text and in front of text. We're going to go behind text. And now what we can do is take the image and move it up a little bit. And you can see how it is now going to be right there. It's going to be behind the text. So if you select enter there, what we can now do is go ahead and we can select this and change the font to, let's just say, white for this image here, and maybe make it a little bit bigger. And of course you could adjust from there. But that is how you could go ahead and change some text wrapping in Google Docs. It's a nice new feature. If you have any questions, please reach out. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.